Best New Minivans and Vans of 2022 Part 2. Mercedes-Benz Metris. Vans are innately versatile, and both the cargo and passenger versions of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz Metris are no exception. The hollowed-out cargo van is perfect for tradespeople or anyone who wants a blank canvas from which to create a custom camper. Mercedes also offers the Metris-based weekender camper model for those with considerable cash and fewer DIY skills. The Metris passenger van can carry up to 8 with its configurable seating arrangements. Under the hood is a peppy 208 horsepower Turbo 4 that feeds the rear wheels. All-wheel drive isn't available. The Metris's German engineering heritage shows in its smooth ride and refined driving behavior. While the smaller Ford Transit Connect and Ram Pro Master City are less expensive city vans, the 2022 Metris has a higher max tow rating, which is among the reasons we named it to our editor's choice list. All Metris vans are motivated by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 208 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. A 9-speed automatic transmission sends torque to the rear wheels. The Mercedes vans excel when it comes to towing and payload capability. The Metris can tow up to 5,000 pounds. For reference, the Ford Transit Connect, an indirect rival, has a towing maximum of 2,000 pounds. The Metris can also handle a payload of up to 2,425 pounds, while the Transit Connect can carry 1,550 pounds. The last Metris passenger van we tested proved able to shuttle people and cargo post-haste. In fact, it was quicker than the lighter Transit Connect we tested in the same acceleration tests. Ford Transit. When it comes to full-size vans, the 2022 Ford Transit possesses the most desirable skill set. As with the Ford's main competition, namely the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Ram Pro Master, it's highly configurable and very capable. Along with different roof heights and multiple wheelbases to choose from, the Transit is available in cargo, crew, and passenger variations. Power comes from either a 275 horsepower V6 or a 310 horsepower twin-turbo V6. Both pair with a 10-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive, but the turbocharged engine alone is compatible with all-wheel drive. Need to pull a trailer? The 2022 Transit can lug up to 7,500 pounds, and every model comes with a bevy of standard driver assists. Arguably its best traits are how well the big van handles and how quiet its cabin is, and it's for these reasons we put it on our editor's choice list. Ford's Transit is offered with two powertrains. The base engine is a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 that provides 275 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. There's also a turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 available that generates 310 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. The Transit can tow up to 7,500 pounds. The Mercedes Sprinter offers more robust payload capabilities. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Backed by Mercedes-Benz's luxury pedigree, the 2022 Sprinter is a full-size van that boasts refined powertrains and countless configurations. However, it's also more expensive than similarly versatile rivals such as the Ford Transit and Ram Pro Master. Along with a standard Turbo 4 engine, the Sprinter offers two different diesel options and rear or all-wheel drive. It can also tow up to 7,500 pounds, but that's 1,900 pounds less than Nissan NV, another Sprinter rival, can handle. The Merc can be had with a dual rear wheel axle, multiple roof heights, and 3 distinct variations: cargo, crew, and passenger. The trio can be equipped with tech such as a 10.3-inch touchscreen and various driver assists. With so much interior space and seemingly infinite ways to outfit it, the 2022 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a seriously useful tool for folks in the skilled trades.